What's the meaning of cudgel? Cudgel. Cudgel.
Cudgel. Cudgel. Cudgel is a noun that refers to a short, thick stick used as a weapon or for punishment. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to beat someone with a cudgel or to think deeply about something. Using a cudgel as a weapon can result in serious injury, or even death, to the person being hit. Additionally, the act of being cudgeled as a form of punishment can lead to physical and emotional trauma. In general, the use of a cudgel is associated with violence and aggression.